Welcome back to everyone. Now in this tutorial we will create a steady motion and exploded view of a C-clamp assembly. Now the steady motion helps to animate the assembly process while the exploded view show how all parts are separated and arranged. Now let's go, first we animate it and then we can make the exploded view. Now students, look here, it is freely to move in forward and backward directions. Now if we want to make it animate or to make the motion study of this assembly, now we simply going to motion study and then we will going to this option and look at that. There is two options, rotary motion and linear motor. And if we want to look our assembly, the screw are in form of a rotation. Now we select the rotary motor and then select our required part which can move. Select this one and then we assign the RPMs just like we assign the 70 RPM enter here. Now we will going to OK. Now look here, the animation is ready. If we want play this one, look here, it will move in backward directions. Now if we want to move this screw in both direction, then we select here playback mode reciprocate. Now we'll on this one again and look here, it will move in both directions and then this will going to forward direction. Okay students, now we will stop it and if we want to save it, we will simply going to this option and then file name C-clamp and save as type Microsoft AVI file and then we will select the frame and that is 16 and 9 HDVT format and then the image size is okay and then entire animation save. Yes, okay, yes. Now look here, it is going to save. It take little bit time. Okay, it is saved. Now we are going to the exploded view. Now students, look here. After motion study, we will going to the exploded view. Now select the exploded view and now look here. There is two option, regular and radial. We will use both of them in this assembly. Just like first we select the regular option and then we will select this one, move in Z direction. Okay. Now if you want to assign the dimensions just like we will assign 15, enter here. Okay, done. Now we will select the next one and next one this screw, this bar and these caps. All of these move in Z direction. Now look here. And if you want to assign the dimension just like look here 80, enter. Okay, now done it. Now we will select the next one and that is both of caps. So we will select the radial option and select both of them. Now we will move this form. Okay. Now if you want to assign the dimension then enter here 60. Okay, done. Now we select the next one that is bar and this one is in radial form, sorry regular form. Now we will going to this one direction. Okay, done. Now the next one that is clamp, select this one and move in y direction downward. Look here. Now we make it done. Okay students, just only okay and then going to configuration and scroll down exploded view, animate collapse. The animation of collapse has been ready. Now if we want to make explode animation, then we will going to simple motion steady and then select this option First we make explode. Next, this is duration second, means length of your animation. We will assign the 6 second enter here, and start time is there is 4 second. Now we will enter the 0 second, means start from 0 second. Now finish. Look here. We will start. Look here. Okay. Now if you increase the speed 1x, then you will start. Look here. Okay. Now we will going to the collapse animation and select collapse this one. Next, duration second again 6, enter here, and then this is start time second, and we will assign this one is 7, enter here. Finish. Now look here. We will start. Now look here. Then break 1 second and then will be collapse. Okay students, so I hope you will understand why we will give the start duration time is 7 in the collapse animation, because we will want to make the 1 second rest between both of the animations. Now if you look here, this will start and then we explode and then second rest and then will collapse. Okay students, now if we want to save it, just click here, file name, C clamp, and then save as type Microsoft AVI file. Okay. Now we assign the frame 16:9 HDTV format. Okay. And the size is okay. And then entire animation. Okay. Save. Yes. Okay. Now it is saved. Okay students. Friends, that's all for this tutorial on the steady motion and exploded view of the C clamp assembly. I hope this helped you understand the assembly process clears. Again, thanks for watching. So take care, stay with us. Allah Hafiz.